Can you hear me, guys? Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining second demo. And I hope who all joined yesterday received demo video and document. And this is a place you will find first demo video and first demo documents. A very valuable documents I shared it with you. And today also you receive some documents and video in this area. So here is a place you receive documents and demo video. And what is the agenda for today? And there are two demo classes followed by regular classes. I don't want to kill your time by taking some additional sessions. These two demo classes sufficient to understand Power BI environment and to understand Power BI tool awareness. And the first demo, I clearly explain 15 minutes. Know your trainer, know your institute, know your providing. The video available in the YouTube also you can look into. And 45 minutes, I explained about your tool, your environment, your market and jobs. And this part, very basic level, I will cover whatever I explained yesterday. And I will jump into today's part fresh after 5-10 minutes. And in yesterday's session, I covered Power BI definition, data storages, reports, dashboards, scorecards, different types of reports. I will show this with a proper document. Wait, and let me go to 15 minutes understanding. Just recap, quick recap. Thank you. More than 6 people called me last night and this morning for career guidance and different types of reasons. Really appreciated for your passion towards good learning. I'm very happy to hear that. And my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number, and this is my call time. I'm a working lead consultant, and the training type is basics to advanced. It is a very detailed training, and 50 to 60 hours is the training, and daily 1 hour is the training. And 1 hour sufficient. Continuously, I explain for 1 hour. For you to practice, it will take 2 to 3 hours minimum time in a day. Monday to Friday, compulsory classes. And monthly, 2 Saturdays, there are sessions. Online available, offline also available. And good assistance provided. And the assistant numbers also provided during your practice. I clearly explain why me. There are many institutions, many trainers, because I'm good at data analysis side, data engineering side. I'm a certified professional in the respect to technologies. I'm a continuous technology follower and technology adapter. So this is about me, very brief, and my classes. And Institute provide daily video sharing, 2 years access. And I show you the drive and how we provide everything in a clear way. And communication, WhatsApp, email, call, mail, message, all types. Very effective communication. Will address all your questions and queries. Material theory provided, material practical also provided. And we will give you mock FAQs. And maximum interview questions from these FAQs only. If you follow this properly, happily, you can answer an interview. And the people who are preparing for interview, we are conducting mock interviews. So almost these are stepping stone for interview success. And Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data Factory, Power Apps. This awareness will give you for 4 hours to understand about your environment. And SQL sessions, I'm giving 4 hours to give you better insights about Power BI and database understanding, Power BI and database. But my recommendation, learn a whole course wherever you want to learn SQL, but we have a strong Power BI plus SQL server classes. But learn a whole course wherever you want to learn and prioritize 9 topics. There are 2 near real-time projects. And these projects helpful for you to understand the environment of the companies and to face interviews and to keep in the resume. And also I'm providing multiple case studies And these case studies are really helpful for you for better hands-on. At the end of the course, I will give you course completion certificate. And cloud details also will provide you cloud credentials, Power BI cloud credentials for your better practice of Power BI cloud. And training objective maximum subject we will cover. So real time you can work, interview you can face. And there is a certification called PL 300. This examination 70 to 80% easily you can write. Just 20% you require dumps and some material I will provide you freely. If you ping me, I will provide you once you join the classes. In a worst situation, you can generate your own reports. Any graduate is eligible to learn Power BI, any graduate. It's a low code application. That's the major reason anybody can learn easily. They can establish their career. And prerequisite, strictly speaking, there is no prerequisite, but Excel knowledge, SQL knowledge is an advantage. And we have other modes too, like fast track, one-on-one, weekend, different type of modes. And you want to know about this, please reach out on this number. They will help you on that. Sir, I want to just go through your videos. I don't have time. Then go for self-paced videos. Reach out on this number. So this is about me, institute, duration, everything. Any questions on this? Anyone wants to ask? Any questions? Yeah. Who just joined? Kindly provide your details, please. And after this, yesterday I explained you, can AI replace Power BI? I put the same question to AI and brought the answer and showed you. And can I see future after learning Power BI? Yes, I told you why. For the last 19 years, it's market leader. Microsoft is the market leader and Power BI part of it. And the position of Power BI, it's the leader in analytics and BI. And top 4 data analytical tools, if you see, Power BI, Tableau, Looker, ClickView. This is the number 1 BI tool. I explain this first, followed by what is Power BI. Simple definition, modern definition, Microsoft definition. But lazily people say it's a reporting tool, Power BI. A reporting tool, a business intelligence tool, a data analytical tool, a visualization tool. But it's beyond that. I told you last class. Simple definition is Power BI is a reporting tool and generate reports, dashboards, and scorecards. And little complex definition, modern definition. Power BI is a versatile application, which is helpful for the visualization, and the visualization helpful in the report development, BA development, data analysis, data science, real-time analytics. And these two I explained you yesterday. And today I'm going to cover this part. And Power BI is a low-code application, self-service application, on-premises application, and cloud application for reports, dashboards, generation. This practical I will show you, and then we'll come back to this definition. But these two I explained yesterday very clearly. Next, and Power BI is a Microsoft product, released year 2013. And we have monthly updates. We don't have versions. Next, later I explain input and output of Power BI. Input to Power BI is file, database, warehouse, cube, cloud source, big source, and output from Power BI, report, dashboard, scorecard. So in between we use Power BI. So between data and report scorecard dashboard Power BI used. So what is report? What is dashboard? What is scorecard? I clearly explained you. So report, always detailed data it will show. Dashboard, quick view, and scorecard, goals information display. Goals display. So these are the three objects you will generate in Power BI. And after this, I explained yesterday. Please go to yesterday's video and material. And what are the types of reports available in Power BI? Page-related report, non-page-related report, business intelligence, data analysis, different types of reports. Different types of reports we generate in Power BI. And then I explain Power BI, various opportunities, report developer, data scientist, data analyst, fabric, and all this. So if you learn Power BI, definitely you'll grab a good opportunity. Not only report development. If people say Power BI does not have market, don't believe it. As a report development, maybe little less, but data analyst, data scientist, BA development, fabric, everywhere Power BI required. So one component useful in multiple areas. And in between, transactional applications to analytical applications, a decision-making data, what is engineering process, data engineering process. I clearly explained yesterday. And the use of Power BI also explained. Later Power BI opportunities, pressure, less than 5 years, more than 5 years, data scientist fresher, data scientist experienced, data analyst fresher, data analyst experienced. These are all I explained. So if there is only one type of opportunity like this, probably you may say Power BI not having market, but it combo available, many areas it is used. So more market for Power BI. How do you want to use Power BI in your hand? Alone or multiple ways? Right, we stopped with this last class and I will continue from the same point. I explained Power BI input, output, types of reports, usage areas, and now Power BI components onwards I'm starting. Kindly focus. So before I go further, I would like to answer your questions. Please take your mic and ask your questions. Abin Josh, Makaran, Mahesh, Ganesh, Menu, Patan, Pihu, Pranavi, Prashant, Varshita. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, then let me continue. So Power BI components. There are 10 components available with 4 concepts. And what are the 10 components? Take cloud components. Cloud components. For report development, we use Power BI Desktop in the cloud level. Cloud level means your company interested to go with cloud. Everything they want to keep in their cloud. They want to operate in the cloud. They don't want to install anything and on premises. Then this is a component they use for report development, and the component name is Power BI Desktop. And it will generate advanced report. Non-paginated means advanced report. Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. These kind of concepts it will use. These are concepts. So once the report is developed and the report moved to cloud, this is cloud. The cloud URL is this app.powerbi.com. So the report stored, the report managed. So the customers, they will access, they will browse, they will take decisions. The customers could be vice president, subject matter expert, manager, executive, customer, anyone. So 95% people follow this approach. Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, 95%. And 5% people know We want to install the server. See, this is server. We will install in our local company or in company premises, and we will only configure and we will only apply security. So the company people want to install, configure, secure, everything they want to administer. So 5% people going like this. And for that, there is a separate report development component called report server desktop. It is for the advanced reporting. And it uses 4 concepts, as I told you yesterday. These are 4. What exactly they do, I will explain now, don't worry. So it will also develop a report by using the 4 concepts, and then it will move to on-premises server. Only customers access, browse, take decisions. So these are the 4 based on your company budget, based on the company budget, they go for it. I have seen small companies, medium companies, they're going with this. And top companies, they're going for cloud 95% and a couple of operations in the on-premises server also, top companies. So MNCs 100% they go with cloud, no doubt. And there are other components. And I told you yesterday, one of the reporting called page-related report, the report data in pages. And you want to develop it, Power BI report builder component is there, very hot in the market. 90% opportunities nowadays having page-related reporting requirement. Or you developed a Power BI component, you want to place in social media, website, blog, then Power BI embedding. What is the concept? Embedding. And you can try as a Power BI developer. I'm wrong actually. And you can create your own visuals. And there is a component available called Power BI developer. It's a tool or component, not a role. Existing Power BI visuals you don't like and you want to create your own visuals, then go to Power BI developer component and write code. And there is a component called gateway. And this is your Hyderabad data. And you want to move to USA cloud. How come Hyderabad data you will move to USA cloud? In between something is required called gateway. So gateway is really helpful to move on-premises data to cloud. And you want to access, browse, navigate easily in your mobile level. There's a concept called Power BI mobile is available. And AI implementation you want to do, like automatic visual generation, insights generation, DAX query generation, DAX query explanation. Copilot is available, Copilot. So these are the 10 components Microsoft currently handling. And with these 4 concepts, because of this reason, it's leading component in the market. Not because of just one component or 2 components, multiple components for diversified operations. Any questions?
No.
Online people? Sir Venkat Garu, any questions? Appreciated. Right, next one. Power BI components, okay. Now architecture. Try to focus on the architecture part, end-to-end architecture. I just explained last class report, scorecard, dashboard, but in between we have multiple things. So data sources, Power BI work support structured, semi-structured, unstructured, all types of sources. Maybe file, data warehouse, cube, Azure storage, Databricks storage, Snowflake, Lakehouse, Synapse, any kind of source, it may bring the data. And Power BI desktop. This is a component will take this data, any data, and I will show you multiple sources in the class. Multiple sources. This desktop will bring the data. First, Power Query concept implemented. This is the first one. So it will bring the data, transform the data like append, merging, concatenating, null value removal, duplicate value removal. Like this operations it will perform. Even data quality operations also perform. So Power Query is the concept where transformations, data quality checks happen. And this data move to Power Pivot area where we keep the data and establish relationships. And one more, in case you don't like your transformation not sufficient for your business process, you can write code in mashup language or M language. Mashup language or M language. So Power Query uses this language. And Power Pivot level will store, establish relationships, and also we prepare calculations. And for that, we use a language called DAX. So different types of storage: import mode, direct query mode, mixed mode, connect live mode, dual mode, data lake mode. Recently given data lake mode, fresh concept, very recent topic, data lake mode. And relationships: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many, star schema, snowflake schema, galaxy, mixed schema, calculations, measure, column, table, security, row level, dynamic row level, all implemented only in this area. Once it is done, visualization, power view and map, normal visuals, mapping visuals, both we use and generate a report. So data extraction transformation, storing relationships calculations, and normal visuals, map visuals added. Finally, we'll move to cloud. We will move to cloud or move to server. And that cloud is Power BI cloud, but backend is Azure only. Remember, backend is Azure. And you can keep in the on-premises server. Backend is SQL server. What is the backend? SQL server. From here, customers access report, dashboard, scorecard, multiple platform, tab, mobile, web, any platform. So this is called end-to-end process. And we'll see 2-3 case studies in the regular class from here to till this part. So many people open as part of architecture, Power BI desktop and explain these topics. But this is end-to-end concept. Any questions on this? Appreciate if you ask questions. Right, sir. Now I'll continue with the next part. Architecture completed. One case study we'll implement. One case study. What is a case study? Guys, for our simple practice, I'm taking my institute data. So this is my institute data. So institute data, do one thing. Anyway, I'm going to give you. So you know very well about our institute. It's a training institute. We get inquiries. So student inquire for a demo. So we will inform for the demo. Once they satisfy, they will confirm for the classes. And classes will start and then ending for the course. And we also work in different locations and different modes like online, classroom, etc. modes. And we have a course fee. Let us assume 16,000. A student paid fee. Assume 15,000. And there's a tax amount 240, something like this. So that business we are having, it's a very brief one. And my company want to analyze which course has given good benefit, which course has given poor benefit, which locations are very demanded in the current market, which locations are poor in the current market. Now, if you go, guys, this is my first, it is Excel sheet and my first table where I'm having stages information. This is Excel sheet. And this is inquiry stage. We have stages like this. Inquiry, demo, confirmation, payment, joining, formality completed. We have next table, student table. Student information available, who all inquired. We have a date table. Dates information available. Course table. Courses information is available. What are the courses we offer? Location table, location information. So different tables, but only non-business tables, just textual data tables. We have a business data table. This is a payments table. Once the student make payments, the details available in that area. So who is the student? What is the course? And what is the mode? Which stage he joined? What is the location? What is the institute? And what is the total course fee? How much is the paid fee? What is the discount amount? And what is the tax amount? Course fee, paid fee, discount amount, tax amount. And these are business values. Everyone look at this business values. So two files available. One is Excel file, one is comma separate value file. Excel file, comma separate value file. Fine. Now what is my intention? My intention is yearly analysis insights you create. This is a requirement, customer requirement. Locations analysis insights you create. And also when a person click here, it has to go to location and show respect to year and location data. Respect to year and location data. That's the concept. Simply like this. I have payments data here. And here business details data available. As per the previous requirement, we need to develop one yearly page, location page. And when I select any year like 2020, and if I jump to this 2020 and location data, it has to show. And this is technically called as drill through. What do we call it? Drill through. How do we drill through from one page to another page to show respective data? But this is possible only in the component called Power BI Desktop. And Power BI Desktop perform this operation. Like it will bring this data, Power BI Desktop, transform the data, model the data, secure the data, visualize the data. Finally, business intelligence data generated that will be moved to the cloud, and cloud level storage managing happens. Finally, customers access, browse, everything they do it via web, mobile, tab platforms. So this end-to-end I plan. So I'm going to explain, kindly look into. So you got data, and this is your Power BI Desktop. This report I'm going to create, and then I will move here. Finally, customers access. Finally, any question from anyone? Anyone wants to ask any questions? Appreciate you ask questions.
How do we know the difference between CSV files and Excel files?
Okay, madam, I will show you. Right. So when you open, the reason to open this in list format is this. See, so this is a payments table, CSV file, comma separate value file, nothing but a flat file. And we are going to use one more. Business details one, Excel workbook. Which workbook? Excel workbook. Madam, clear how to identify?
Yes.
Right. So let me go very quickly. So we have input data and we need to develop a report like this. So what is required? Power BI Desktop. And I'm going to explain Power BI desktop installation. So let me go. First way, very routine way, Google it and download. We all habituated to Google. We'll download. Power BI desktop downloading. This is the first link. And Microsoft Power BI desktop. See guys. And the version, date, description, system requirements clearly available. No need to ask anyone. System requirements also available here. You can look into and installation instructions. And tomorrow, in tomorrow's session, we'll go through each and every word clearly. But at this moment, we don't have time, because if I started explaining this in detail now, you may not feel comfortable. Okay, so tomorrow I'll explain you. Please excuse me for that. From tomorrow, basics onwards will start up. Right, simply go to download. It will be downloaded. Once you download, it looks like this. Download folder. Recently I downloaded. This is the one. This is the way it looks like. Go there, next, next, finish. But two to three prompts it will ask you. One is C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? Second one, language of the interface. Hindi language or English language, which language? And third one, I accept. License terms and conditions. Total 3. Okay, done. So once it is completed, you will get a shortcut on the desktop like this. This is my Windows desktop, and this is the way you will find it. Power BI desktop. Second way, simple way, routine way, Google it and download. Next way is you can take the help of a Google or Copilot or ChatGPT, CLAD, any AI assistant. Any AI assistant help also you can take. Second way. So it will give you that. There is a link here. Next, you can go to Power BI Cloud, Power BI Cloud and download. Third way, app.powerbi.com. App.powerbi.com. And we connected with an account. I'll give you the account tomorrow. You don't worry. And then there is something called download here. Download Power BI desktop. All of you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, this is recommended, guys, in the real time. Always downloading from the cloud is recommended. Why? What is the reason? That I will tell you in your tomorrow's regular class. So how many ways available to download the desktop? Could you guys answer me? 3
Three.
ways. Yeah, general Google it and download. Journey assistant you can take. And third one,
From Power BI Cloud.
from Power BI service. Done. So the tool is installed and I will open the tool. So very simple. Click on Power BI desktop. Sir, will you help me in the installation, this complete process? You don't worry, guys. I'm going to give you a document. The document has everything clearly. Please see in this document level how to install the software, how to download the software, how to practice, everything very clearly given. Very clearly given. Just use this document and practice today. Before you join tomorrow, please practice it. Very clearly given. It's not AI made document, manual made document. Yes. So I opened it. When I open the tool, it opens like this. And coming to this, so this is called quick startup page. Some people say get started page. From here, you can start up. So saving, undo, redo, title, my cloud account, minimize, maximize, closing, or blank report you can create. If you want to create anything from scratch, you can create from OneLake, from Excel, from SQL Server, and you can open the reports and you can sign out. And here is a place options and settings available. And this is about Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop information. What is the version, who is the user installed, etc. Since many important options it has, so we call it as a quick startup page or get started page. And currently I will go for a blank report. So home, blank report. So this is a main report report view. And if you closely observe, color blind friendly view. So color blind people can work. Second one, self-service BA interface. For example, you have data, it can extract, it can transform, it can model, it can visualize, and a model secure and visualize. Finally, business intelligence data, nothing but report data. So this is the first area, second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area. These five areas available in this desktop. So extraction is compulsory, visualization compulsory, these two mandatory, and these three optional. What is optional? If they require, you take it, otherwise, no need to take. So very simple Power BI report creation. Believe me, guys, if you follow practicing 1-2 reports as per my process, you feel very comfortable. No complexity. And the first area is this. This is the area. This is second area, transforming. Third area, modeling. Fourth area, security. Fifth area, visualization. Any requirement you got, pass through like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is process. What do you call it? Process. But we also have in this interface level options. So what is this? What are this? And what do you call this? And what do you call this? And what do you call this? What do you find it? And what is this area, etc. It will take at least 40 minutes time to explain. So we don't have much time. So from tomorrow, anyway, I'm going to start very basics onwards, very basics. So whatever I explained today, I will repeat it with advanced level and in detail. So you will understand tomorrow. Today, we will see a rough practice. Okay, guys? So what is the process we need to follow? Tool options I'll explain tomorrow, but process options I'll explain today with an example. First one, we need to bring it, any data, transform it, model it, secure it, visualize it. I'll do these 5 operations, kindly focus. First one, bring the data, get data. What is this? And I have 2 files. See, one is comma separate value file. One is Excel file. How to bring data from comma separated and Excel, I'm going to explain now. From these two files, we need to generate insights, visuals for better decision making. How do we do that? So just go to this, get data, Excel workbook. So connect to data source. So here is the path, browse. Where is it? It's in my two demos. This is the one. Click next. Just browse it and click next. It's new but not complex. One time you do it, you remember forever. And select the tables. I'm selecting all the tables. These 5 tables: course, date, location, student, stage. Load it. Select all the 5 tables. Click load in the right hand side. So get data, browse Excel, sell the sheets and load. The same practice I given very clearly in this material, you can see. Get data, Excel, select all the tables and load. Click load. Clearly available. See, it's loading the data now. Now, once it is done, now go to left hand side, table view, course table data, date table, date data, location table. See, the column headings are not good. So I move to this area, guys. In this area, I'm looking the table data. This and this good, location not good. Location ID, name, address, something available, we need to take on top. We need to take on top. That means they are supposed to be the column heading. Now student table, student details available. Enquiry stage table, stage details available. But we are supposed to take this on top. So there are multiple tables. Some table structure is not good, especially location and this shape or structure not good. Then what to do? If any table structure is not good or any transformation you want to do, just go to transform area. I brought it, verified the table data. Since not satisfied with some tables, I'll go to transform. So click on this transform data. So simple, right? And this is the main window. It will open for the transformation. So this is the main window. Transform data window. Some people say Power Query window. And here we have 1000 plus graphical transformations available. In case these are not sufficient, you can write a code in the mashup language. Which language? Mashup language. Right. Now I'll go to the next part. See, inquiry stage. The column headings are not proper. So simple. Click on this in this corner. What is this? Use first row as header, because this is the first row and you need to take as a header. This first row you need to take as header. Click on it. Use first row as header. Next, student table. Looking good. Date table. Looking good. Course table. Looking good. Location table. I want to take this as heading. So click on this, use first choice headers. So the 5 tables are ready. Now what to do? Then go to left hand side. No save option. Apply means saving. Close and apply means save and closing. Close means simply closing. So do the changes whatever you want to do. Finally close and apply. I will do one more change. So for only titles I changed it. Let us take address. One more transformation I'll show you. Here if you see the first part 506B 602 flat number. This is flat number and this is address. I want to split. Then right click, split column by separator. Split column by separator. Because this I want to take into one column, remaining into one column. Now, here, what is the separator? Comma. If we closely notice, comma is a separator. And I want leftmost. Later, leftmost separator. Click OK. This is flat number address. I will go here, type flat number. Double click and change. And here also double click and change address. Successful. Once this is completed, go to this, close and apply. Left hand side, please see this. Close and apply. You're applying the changes and closing. Now you can go to left hand side. Stage data good. Student data good, looking good. Location data looking good. Date table data good. Course table data good. We have proper shape. So if you go to report view, bringing the data, transforming the data, successful. Now relationship, because multiple tables available, we need to establish relationship. And one more table we forget to bring, that is fact table. All business tables available, the payment table pending, not fact payment table. So go to this. The payment table is CSV file. So click CSV. If you recollect, I said two files we use it. What are the two files?
CSV and
One, yeah, one is Excel file. Second one, a CSV file. And I forgot to take CSV file data. I will take it now. How to take it? Please respond. Get data. CSV. And where is the path? Browse. Just to mention the path, this is the path. Click save. Click next. Load. Now I'll go to left. So this is a payment table and you can see payment table data. Able to see? Yes?
yes.
Good. So now we need to establish relationship between these tables. So online people, stay tuned till 7:10 p.m. I'll close the session sharply. 7:10. Kindly stay tuned. So that at least something you'll understand today. And from tomorrow, basic converts in detail I'll explain. And if you want to see how depth I'll take the classes and I'll go to my YouTube. So I kept a couple of sessions, you can see that. But the training sessions are very detailed and even I cover complex examples, complex projects, complex scenarios. But this is a demo session I cannot cover. I need to make it enjoyable and easy understandable with my creative knowledge. That's what I'm doing here. And 2 months we're going to discuss, not 1, 2. So no theoretical part, complete practical part. Right. In case you haven't provided the details, kindly provide once again. In case anybody missing providing details, kindly provide so the demo document video you receive and you can practice it. Thank you for your cooperation, guys. Let me go. So data extraction, transformation complete. Now go to modeling. Here is the place relationships establish. What are established? Relationships. See multiple tables available. And actually this is the main table, central table, where all tables to be connected. And you can click in the down, there is a reset option. Click reset. Automatically rearrange. This is the option. So we are in this area right now. We worked on this. We worked on this. We moved to this and relationships establishment area. So this is a fact table, all the tables. Of course, most of them are connected. I'll expand little bigger. This payment table, location table to be connected successfully. And the location ID, good. So I'll keep it like this. And these two supposed to connect on student table, student ID. So student table, student ID connected to payment table, student ID. This is what expected, already connected. So no worries. If it is wrong, you need to connect. Course table also similarly connected. Good only. And on what basis we connect? What is the criteria we follow? That I will explain in the regular class clearly. In this class, please ignore. And stage also connected. Stage, good. And date table is not connected. There are multiple dates. Course and date is there. Demo date is there. And join date is there. Multiple dates available. Date table not connected. And you want to connect two ways. Fastest way, drag and drop. Drag this column and drop here. Save. Fastest way. And you don't know how to drag and drop. I'm deleting it. Just right click delete if you want to delete. Standard way. Right click, manage relationship. Standard way. Ask you, new relationship. Which table? Date table, date column, date table, date highlight. Payments table, course and date highlight. Payment table, course and date highlight. Click save. Date table, date to payment table, date. So on what basis we connect, that I will tell you in the regular class. How to connect only you focus now. Two ways, I explain the two ways. Now it is connected. One is a fastest way, second standard way. Now tables are connected, guys. And technically knowledgeable people usually say this, a star schema, because multiple tables are connected. We call it as star schema. It's looking like a star. So star schema. So we are done with data extraction part, transformation part, modeling part. Security, it is not in our current scope, so I'm not explaining. Here is a plus security available. It is not in our current scope. I go for visualization. This is visualization area. Please focus. I'll put this top. I need two pages, page one, page two. Page one level, I will take yearly analysis. Page two level, I will take locations analysis. Yearly location. Now, yearly analysis. This is a visualization area, build area, visualization area. Some people say build pane. You must have knowledge before using this. Not only this, even insert menu level, insert menu level also visuals available. So in this area you find it, here you find it, and even in these three dots also you'll find it. What are those? That I will explain in detail in the classes. And right now, standard visuals we will take. These are standard visuals. My intention is to show year-wise paid fee comparison. Year-wise. Take a bar chart. Bar is best for comparison. So click on this chart. This is the first one. And fill the fields. What do you want to show? It is a row bar. See, row bar. So y-axis. Y-axis, nothing but row. Row level, what do you want to take? Click on this year. Data I'm taking here. X-axis. X-axis is this. I want to take payments table level paid fee. So what is the second operation? Identify the visual based on the distribution, arrange the columns. And here year and sum of paid fee. If I expand bigger, you can see that. Showing anything? Why? Click focus mode. Surprise. Now we'll go to this model view. Any mistake in the model view? Date to course and date perfectly connected. Okay, I understand. This is too early to discuss. Yeah, now got it. The date data type is wrong. Date data type. So I changed it to date. Highlight this, change here. But you may not get it. Fine. See, this is a visual. Click on focus mode. 18-year highest business, 23-year lowest business, and remaining. You are able to compare. And whatever it is showing white background and black letter, that is called tooltip. What do you call it? Tooltip. Everyone clear? So I took a comparison visual, arrange the fields. How simple it is. If you get some understanding, easily you can do it. Sir, can I show the values here? Or can I control the color? All possible. That comes in the formation. In the format level, the x-axis color, y-axis color, all bar colors you can control. So working with a visual is three-step process. One is visual, second one data, third one formatting. This is formatting. These three is a proper visual. That is called VDF rule, visual data format rule. Next, this is ready. Second one, after this, pie chart. It's a pie chart. Legend level, I will take location name. Value level, I will take paid fee. Instead of location name, I will take year only because yearly analysis. Date table year. Year wise paid fee. I took this pie chart. Category year, value paid fee. It will show you composition. Highlight this and see that. It's clearly saying this is the highest one, 2018, 18% business, which is nothing but 43 lakhs 57,500. 21, 16% business. 19, 16%. 20, 16%. Like this, you can see. So you are able to see percentage value. How simple it is. So here you're able to compare easily. You're able to see the percentages. Even data display also easy. Just click on a table visual. It'll show the data. Columns, take table visual columns. I want year wise. I took year wise. I'm going to year wise, location wise, location, and select a table, course fee, pay fee, and select tax amount. I just selected guys in this area, year wise, location wise. But if you see this bigger, something wrong. What is wrong? Year is not coming properly. Sum of year is coming. So go to this right arrow. In this right arrow, in place of sum, don't summarize. By default, sum is coming. You don't want, then right arrow. In place of sum, don't summarize. It will show year-wise information. Year-wise location back. So this is data visual, comparison visual, composition visual. And I will go to location page. This is location page. I'm taking a line chart. And x-axis. X-axis level, I will take locations. This is for trend analysis. And y-axis level, I will take paid fee. And if I explore bigger, you can see line chart, location, paid fee. Hyderabad greatly started, Mumbai fell down, Chennai, Vizag, finally Medak is down. Less business. The value also it is showing. And I will take one more visual. Column chart, column bar. X-axis level, I will take location, dim location, location. And Y-axis level, I will show you paid fee. Location-wise paid fee, location-wise paid fee comparison. And if I make it bigger, Hyderabad more value, 12 million, close to 12 million. Medak less value, just between 0 to 1 million. And this is the highest business, lowest business, you are able to compare. Like this, based on your knowledge and requirement, customer requirement, you take the right visual, arrange the data, take the fill. So, and you want to provide a navigation from here to here. Yeah, you can do it. So just go to location, format area, very simple. When I click year here, I want to show year and location data. So go to location table, format. So location page, page formation. Here you mentioned not standard drill through. So location page is of type drill through based on year because it has to show year and location data and it is categorized year category wise. Very simple. If you want to come from here to here based on the year and you want to do operation, sorry, you want to show respect to filtering here, then go to formatting area, make the page as a drill through page. Drill through page means it will accept the navigation from other pages. It will accept the navigation from other pages. So I mentioned drill through. Of what? Year filter. Of year filter summarized or category. Category means if you pass 17 data, it will show. In this area, 17 locations data. If you pass 18 here, 18 locations data, it will show. Hardly 3 minutes, guys. I will close it. Kindly stay tuned. And automatically, when you make a drill through page, sorry, when you make a drill through page, automatically it will take a back button. This is called back button. I did not take, system taken. When you make any page as drill through, automatically you will get this button. So how it works? Go to yearly page, take any year. I will go for 22 year. Right click, drill through. Just click on the year, drill through, locations analysis. It's going to locations page and showing only common in the 22. Only common in the 22. Maybe only one location business. And you want to go back, control enter to go back. And I want to show you 17. Just right click 17 and drill through locations. It will show you 17. 17 also common available. And you want to go back, controls. Like this, guys. So we will navigate multiple pages. Easy to create, easy to navigate. File menu, I'm saving it and I will go to any batch, ATM batch. I will place here demo report. And what is the extension? PBX. I'm saving it. PBX. What is PBX? How do you save Excel documents? XLSX. How do we save Word document? DOCX. PPT documents? PPTX. X is the common. The same way Power BI, PBIX. Power BI extension. This is a file extension. Not a new one. Easy to remember. Power BI extension save. Successfully, the report is saved. But this report, we can't share with the customers. If you want to share it, you need to connect to cloud. From cloud only you have to share. Where is the cloud? You go ahead. This is the cloud I already explained you, app.powerbay.com. And you need an account. This account I will give you and 10 days you will work on this. And there is a working area, any working area. I take one project working area. And here there is something called import report. Where is the report? Import report. Batches, ATM zone, not a project folder level. I saved it. This is a project folder, demo report. The report, I'm doing it. See, I imported and demo report is ready. You click on the report. The report ready, guys. So yearly report, you can click on it. The highlighting, cross filtering, everything happens. And you want to go to locations page, just right click here, drill through locations page. It's working. It's showing respective area metadata. And you want to go back, single click in this area. Going back to yield report. Working well. Then how do we share? Guys, here is the option. First option, share. Mention who you want to share. V underscore some user. I'm sharing to one Vinay Tech user. Send. You want to have a scheduled sharing. This is immediate sharing. Scheduled sharing you want. This is scheduled sharing. Subscription. This plus indicate scheduled sharing. And you want to share in Excel format, PPT format, PDF format. Or you want to share a QR code. This is the QR code. Generate QR code is there. Through QR code also you can share. And this is embedding report. And if you click on website or portal, it give you website or portal report. So this link to place in the websites, blogs, apps, and this link is to place. Yeah, this is also in the blogs website which are connected with HTML. HTML application area, you can place this report. General Power Apps level, .NET Java application level, we place this report. Two types of. So how many ways we have to share? On-demand sharing, scheduled sharing, exporting PDF, PPT, Excel, QR code sharing, link sharing, multiple ways. Unless you move a report to this, no customer will receive. Right now, I share to your email. The user can open the mobile level. The user can open the user can open the mobile level. The user can open the web level. He can see the report. This is how we will do the operations in the real time. Please see. So the practice is very clearly available in this material. Kindly follow. Then this is what I plan. Input data, Power BI desktop, multiple pages creation and implementing this process, moving to cloud and sharing with the customer. But browsing not happen now because we don't have time. It's been 7:17. So now tell me, Power BI operations easier or complex? Online people, Vashita, Shilpa, Prashant, Patan, Makaran. Power BI
It's
operation easier, simple.
it's easier if we got to know about each and every like tool we are using. For example, if you have hands-on experience furtherly, I think it would be easier.
Yes, yes. So from tomorrow, I will start from the very basic, like what is this tool, why the name is Power BI Desktop, and what is the history of the desktop. Everything from the basics I will explain till advanced level. Even complex scenarios, complex things I'll explain in a simple, easy way. My classes are sufficient for your interview and working purpose. Not to refer any. So whatever I planned for the two demo classes, I'm successfully done. First demo, know your environment, train and providing, followed by Power BI definitions, usage areas, what are the areas we use, what are the opportunities you see greatly that I explain. Second level tool installation and end-to-end simple practice. And now you got some idea. So this is the duration I'm going to spend for every component. A very brief and high level, so low level content you will receive in your email ID. Kindly go through. I already shared low level course content. You can go through in your email ID and drive level. So Power BI end-to-end architecture for 2 hours, extracting data 2 hours, Power Query 8 to 10 hours, Power Pivoting 14 hours, Power View and Map 10 hours, Cloud 10 hours, one project 6 hours, another project 2 hours, page-related reporting 2 hours, and case study 6 hours, SQL session 4 hours, and other important sessions. Environmental session, report server desktop, Fabric, Azure, Power Apps for Automate, 4 to 6 hours I will cover. This is the duration I'm going to cover. Okay. So I definitely give you in detail subject. And if you're looking for a better institute with good systematic level training, proper training with case study projects, FAQs, and proper guidance, yes, we are one of the best institute. Confidently, you can join. And you can get in touch with me on my contact number. I already shared with you. And once again, I'm sharing with you. Please get in touch with me for any kind of queries, questions. I hope I addressed yesterday for multiple students. Even for you also will address. This is my contact number. Even you can refer your friends if you like the demo and my subject.